The project tool is another very useful tool that helps us to project or translate our sketches onto some existing face or surface. So, for example, with this light bulb design here, to create this kind of complex cutout, we can see that it is actually on a curved surface. So I don't have the ability to sketch directly on a curved surface. So what has to be done here is to project a sketch from some flat or planar surface onto this curved surface. In this case, as an example, we just had this fairly simple sketch here, and we've just projected it down onto our curved face here. So let's see how this process is done. So here again, I have my light bulb design with this curved surface on it. Again, I can't sketch directly on this curved surface, but I'd like to project this sketch down onto that face so I can do, say, a cutaway. It's a very simple process. I can just go into my tools and into project. First, I can select the faces or edges I'd like to project. So in that case, that will be this face here, or this sketch here, and then I can tap next. Notice in the top left corner I have the ability to choose edges if I'm just selecting particular edges, or the entire sketch like I am in this case. And then I'd like to select the face that I'm projecting to. So in that case, that's going to be my curved face of my light bulb right here. And once I'm happy with that, I can tap the Done check. And now right away I can see that sketch has been projected down onto my curved surface. Now, since I've projected this sketch onto my curved surface, I can, for example, extrude up or cut away. And now I can see the cutaway on this complex curved surface just by using the project tool. So it's a very handy tool whenever we need to push a sketch to some curved face or curved surface. Now that we've got a good understanding of using the project tools, in the next few lessons we'll learn some additional more advanced tools.